What if I told you there's a trailer that can follow you through a desert, survive a river crossing, and still let you take a hot shower at the end of the day? Today, we're looking at 10 off-road beasts that redefine luxury camping. And wait until you see what they're packing. But before you hit the trail with these incredible machines, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our weekly videos featuring the most amazing vehicles on the planet. Now, let's get into it. Number 10. Black Series HQ19. Looking for the perfect blend of luxury and off-road capability, the Black Series HQ19 delivers exactly that and then some. This 26-foot beast is built to handle everything from muddy back roads to rocky mountain passes, all while keeping you in absolute comfort. Let's start with what makes it an off-road champion. The HQ19 sits on an armored chassis with serious corrosion resistance and waterproofing, so you can cross shallow water without a second thought. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The interior feels more like a high-end apartment than a trailer, with a queen-size bed and convertible lounge area for extra sleeping space. The fully equipped kitchen features a 3-burner gas cooktop, microwave, stainless steel sink, and a 6-cubic-foot refrigerator. Everything you need to whip up gourmet meals in the middle of nowhere. And forget about roughing it, the private bathroom comes with a separate shower, porcelain toilet, and vanity. After a long day on the trail, you can kick back and enjoy the 24-inch TV with DVD player and internal speakers. Too hot or too cold outside? No problem. The 16,000 BTU furnace and 13,500 BTU air conditioning unit keep the climate perfect year-round. Water capacity is another area where the HQ19 shines. We're talking 64 gallons of fresh water, plus 26 gallons each for grey and black water. That's enough for extended trips without worrying about refills. And for those outdoor living moments, the 4-meter electrical awning creates the perfect shaded hangout space. Number 9. Taxa Outdoors Mantis Overland. If you're looking for something a bit more nimble but still packed with features, the Taxa Outdoors Mantis Overland might be your perfect match. This 19-foot trailer hits the sweet spot between capability and comfort, all while weighing in at just 3,486 pounds dry. The genius of the Mantis Overland starts with its construction. Built on a powder-coated steel chassis with a Timbren axle-less suspension system, this thing has the ground clearance you need for serious off-road adventures. The pop-up roof design isn't just about extra headroom, it's also about practicality, letting you store this trailer in a standard garage when you're not out exploring. Inside, the Mantis comfortably sleeps 4 adults with a full-size bed and 2 bunk beds. The galley kitchen includes a 2-burner cooktop, sink and refrigerator, everything you need to keep yourself fueled for adventure. And yes, there's even a wet bath with a shower and toilet, so you can stay fresh no matter how far off the grid you go. Climate control? They've thought of that too. The air conditioning unit keeps things cool in the summer, while the furnace/water heater system ensures warmth and hot water when temperatures drop. What really sets the Mantis apart is its thoughtful design. Everything has a purpose, from the ample storage options throughout the interior to the 8-foot awning that extends your living space into the great outdoors. With 20 gallons of fresh water and 22 gallons of grey water capacity, the Mantis Overland isn't built for marathon showers. But for weekend warriors and those who understand the beauty of minimalism, it offers the perfect balance of comfort and capability. Number 8. Patriot Campers X1H. Now here's something completely different. The Australian-made Patriot Campers X1H isn't trying to be your home away from home. It's trying to be the ultimate base camp for outdoor adventures. Let's talk about what makes this thing special. First up, the remote-controlled hardtop lid. With the press of a button on a wireless key fob, the lid opens to reveal the tent setup. Mounted on that hard-top lid is a fixed 120-watt solar panel, ensuring you've got sustainable power for your off-grid adventures. Inside, the tent offers 3 different configuration options and luxurious touches with strip lighting around the bed. But the real engineering marvel is the chassis. Built with a Ridulite combination of galvanized steel and aluminium, the X1H is lightweight yet incredibly durable. The The X-Cruise airbag suspension system, developed with Cruisemaster, provides a smooth ride over rough terrain while reducing unsprung weight. This isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting your investment from the punishing conditions of backcountry travel. For those extended trips far from facilities, the X1H can be equipped with a diesel heater, ample water storage, and accessories like a shower tent and cassette toilet. It's worth noting that unlike some of the larger trailers on our list, these amenities aren't built in, but that's by design, keeping the trailer compact and versatile. The Patriot Camper's X1H represents a different philosophy of luxury, one focused on capability, convenience, and smart design rather than sheer size and built-in features. For the right adventurer, that's exactly the luxury that matters most. Number 7. Conqueror UEV 490. This rugged hybrid caravan brings military-grade construction to the civilian world, creating an off-road trailer that's practically unstoppable. Built using aeronautical building techniques and motor industry-grade materials, the UEV 490 is designed to take a beating and keep on going. The independent airbag suspension and galvanized chassis work together to provide a smooth ride over terrain that would stop lesser trailers in their tracks. The exterior kitchen is where outdoor chefs will fall in love. Fully equipped and built to last, it makes cooking in the wilderness feel like cooking at home, except with much better views. And with 150 liters of water capacity, you won't be rationing your resources on shorter trips. Inside, the UEV 490 sleeps 4 in comfort, with an option to accommodate 2 more using an add-on tent. Additional features like the slide-out kitchen, removable dinette/bar table, front storage rack, and rear body tray show that every inch of this trailer has been designed with purpose. The gas hot water unit ensures hot showers and easy cleanup no matter how far you've traveled. At around $39,995, the Conqueror UEV 490 represents serious value for a trailer with this level of capability and comfort. Number 6. Brooder EXP6. This sleek, composite-bodied beast combines technical innovation with luxury amenities in a package that's ready for the apocalypse, or just a really ambitious camping trip. Let's start with the construction, because this is where the EXP6 really separates itself from the pack. The body features 1.2-inch thick composite panels mounted on an airtight galvanized chassis capable of supporting up to 11 times its weight. But it's the suspension system that'll blow your mind. The independent air suspension features 8 shock absorbers and 4 3-ton support airbags, providing up to 25.6 inches of ground clearance. We're talking about more than 2 feet of clearance when you need it. This system doesn't just help you clear obstacles, it transforms the entire off-road experience, smoothing out bumps and dips that would rattle your fillings in lesser trailers. Step inside and the EXP6 continues to impress. The modern interior features a queen-sized bed, convertible lounge area, ample storage, and a spacious bathroom with shower. For those planning extended trips, there's even an optional washer and dryer. The kitchen includes a diesel ceramic cooktop, refrigerator, and sink. Everything you need to prepare proper meals, regardless of your location. Power management is another area where the EXP6 excels. With a 480 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, a 3000-watt inverter, and 600 watts of roof-mounted solar panels, you've got a reliable power supply for days or even weeks off the grid. Brooder X also offers various customization options for the EXP6, allowing buyers to tailor everything from internal upholstery to external finishes. Enjoying these incredible off-road trailers so far? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our community. Now, let's get back to our countdown. Number 5. Australian Off-Road Sierra ZR. Sometimes luxury isn't about having everything included, it's about having the freedom to create exactly the setup you want. That's the philosophy behind the Australian Off-Road Sierra ZR, a compact, customizable trailer that serves as the perfect foundation for your adventure rig. Want to use your preferred rooftop tent? No problem. Have a specific fridge, awning, or barbecue setup you love? The Sierra ZR accommodates your existing gear, allowing you to create a camping setup that's perfectly tailored to your needs. That's not to say it comes empty. The spacious side-positioned kitchen provides ample preparation and cooking areas, while comprehensive water and gas systems ensure essential utilities are readily available. The electrical system includes a 100 Ah lithium battery and a 1000-watt inverter, providing reliable power for various camping needs. With a standard water capacity of 52 gallons and options for bike racks, extra storage, and enhanced electrical systems, the Sierra ZR can be configured to support whatever adventure you have in mind. And at a starting price of $34,900, it's one of the more accessible options on our list, especially when you consider its robust construction and off-road capability. Number 4. Action Mobile Desert Challenger. Now we're entering a completely different league. Forget trailers, the Action Mobile Desert Challenger is an 8x8 expedition vehicle built on a Man-Cat military truck chassis originally designed to carry missiles. At 30 tons, this behemoth isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling fortress that happens to contain a luxury apartment. Measuring 3 meters wide, 4 meters high, and 12 meters long, the Desert Challenger dwarfs everything else on the road. But it's the self-sufficiency that's truly mind-boggling. With a fuel capacity of 2,500 litres and drinking water storage of 2,400 litres, the Desert Challenger is built for extended periods without resupply. You could literally live in this thing for weeks without needing to refill anything. The interior features hydraulically driven extensions that expand the living room when stationary, creating a truly spacious environment. The stainless steel kitchen includes a walk-in refrigerator. Yes, you heard that correctly, a walk-in refrigerator in a vehicle. This isn't camping, it's a luxury penthouse that happens to be able to drive through a war zone. Of course, all this comes at a price. The Desert Challenger will set you back around $2 million. But for those who demand the absolute pinnacle of mobile living and off-road capability, nothing else comes close. Number 3. Unicat Terracross TC59 Family. If the Action Mobile Desert Challenger seems a bit excessive, but you still want a proper expedition vehicle rather than a trailer, the Unicat Terracross TC59 Family might be the perfect middle ground. Built on a MAN TGM 18.340 4x4 chassis, this vehicle combines serious off-road capability with family-friendly living space. The cabin measures 5,900mm in length, 2,480mm in width, and 2,205mm in height, providing ample room for extended travel. Inside, the layout is designed with families in mind. The seating area accommodates 4 to 6 people around a swiveling table and converts into a bed when needed. A double bed with suspension in the rear, plus 2 bunk beds that can convert into a couch, provide flexible sleeping arrangements for the whole family. The bathroom combines mat and shower functions, featuring a Varicore wash basin, porcelain toilet, and tiled floor with drainage. The kitchen comes fully equipped with drawers on full extensions, a spacious worktop, built-in stainless steel sink, 2-zone induction cooker, overhead cabinets, a 130-litre refrigerator, a 65-litre deep freezer, and a convection oven with microwave. Storage is abundant, with compartments in the seating area, under the bunk bed, a wardrobe at the bed, a cabinet with shelves and a hanging wardrobe, and a large outside storage compartment in the rear under the bed. There's even space for a motorcycle on the back, allowing you to bring along additional transportation for exploring once you've set up camp. Number 2. Global Expedition Vehicles GXV Pangea Lifting Roof. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the GXV Pangea Lifting Roof, a custom-built expedition vehicle that combines innovative design with luxurious amenities. Built on heavy-duty chassis options like the Mercedes Unimog or LMTV, the Pangea is engineered to go anywhere while providing all the comforts of home. The standout feature is right in the name, a hydraulic lifting roof that expands the interior living space when you're camped. This clever design keeps the profile low and aerodynamic while driving, then transforms into a spacious living area when stationary. It's the best of both worlds, practical on the road, comfortable at camp. Inside, the Pangea doesn't skimp on amenities. The living quarters feature a full-sized bed, a convertible dining area for additional sleeping space, a wet bath with shower and toilet, and a fully equipped kitchen. Typical appliances include a stainless steel refrigerator/freezer, induction cooktop, microwave, and LED TV. Climate control systems ensure comfort regardless of outside conditions. For those planning to venture far from civilization, the Pangea's off-grid capabilities are impressive. The electrical system typically includes a substantial battery bank, around 1,600 amp-hour capacity, charged via roof-mounted solar panels and backed up by a diesel generator. Water storage and filtration systems are designed for long-term self-sufficiency. The vehicle's body is constructed using structural composite sandwich panels, providing excellent strength-to-weight ratio and insulation. This construction ensures both durability in extreme conditions and comfort inside, regardless of external temperatures. With prices starting around $450,000 and potentially exceeding $850,000 for fully customized versions, the GXV Pangea lifting roof represents a serious investment. But for those seeking the ultimate combination of off-road capability and luxury living in a customizable package, it's hard to beat. Number 1. Airstream Tradewind. Taking our top spot is an American icon reimagined for the modern off-grid adventurer, the Airstream Tradewind. Let's talk about what makes this 25-foot 2-inch masterpiece special. For starters, Airstream actually listened to what real off-grid enthusiasts have been doing to their trailers for years and built it from the factory. We're talking about a robust solar system paired with battle-born lithium batteries, the gold standard for off-grid power. Add in the 3-inch lift kit and all-terrain Goodyear Wrangler workforce tires, and you've got an Airstream that's ready to venture where standard models fear to tread. This isn't just about taking the iconic Airstream look to remote locations, it's about doing it without sacrificing an ounce of luxury. Step inside and you're greeted by gorgeous interior design that puts most high-end apartments to shame. The floor plan sleeps up to 5 people comfortably, proving you don't need a massive footprint to accommodate family and friends. But it's the thoughtful details that really set the Tradewind apart. The recirculating water heater means no more waiting for hot water or wasting precious resources. Want to go even more eco-friendly? The optional composting toilet reduces your dependence on finding dump stations. And that optional rear hatch? It's a game-changer for loading bulky gear like bikes, paddleboards, or whatever adventure equipment you can't leave behind. Is it as off-road capable as some of the purpose-built expedition trailers on our list? Admittedly, no. The Tradewind is more about getting you to that perfect remote campsite via moderate off-road trails, not necessarily crawling over boulders or fording rivers. But for most off-grid enthusiasts, that's exactly the sweet spot they're looking for. Starting at $129,400, the Airstream Tradewind isn't cheap, but compared to the 7-figure price tags of some expedition vehicles, it represents attainable luxury. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with more amazing content like this. And let us know in the comments which of these incredible machines you'd choose.